If you have ever looked at AI or any tech stuff and you thought to yourself that, listen, I'm too old for this, I cannot learn this, I want you to think again, because that is not the truth. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI skills you can begin learning today. Even if you feel behind or intimidated, or you feel like tech is too advanced and you cannot learn it, I'm going to give you 7 AI skills you can start learning today that will take you from I don't know AI to I can use AI very well. So if that's something you would like to learn, let's get straight to the point. Number 1, I want you to first of all learn the AI basics. Learn tools like ChatGPT and Claude, whatever tool you can see online. Just grab all of them and learn the basics. How to chat, how these AI tools generate their responses, what the response means to you, how it can help you generate ideas. Literally dive into these tools and just test all of them. Listen to how they respond to your questions and try to understand how each of these tools work. If you go to ChatGPT, talk to ChatGPT and say, okay, what is ChatGPT's strength? How can I compare it to Claude? Ask them the same questions. So you have ChatGPT, you have Claude, you have Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, whatever. Ask all of them the same exact questions. Look at how they respond to you and just learn the ecosystem around AI. Just simple. The same thing you would type into Google, ask ChatGPT or any of these AI tools and learn it. That is the basic. All right. Now you go into step 2. The skill number 2 I want you to learn is prompting, how to actually speak to AI. I'm going to link my prompt engineering video somewhere around. Learning how to prompt AI takes you literally from beginner to intermediate. And let me tell you why. The moment you know how to speak to AI, it totally differentiates you from people who just goes and say, give me a business idea. You're someone who would say you are a business coach and you tell AI exactly what you want it to do. So instead of saying, give me a business idea, you're a business coach. And my target audience is, and this is what they're struggling with. This is their pain point. Generate 5 business ideas that I can start today that would take me from $0 to $1,000 in a month. So you would see that there will be a difference in the way the response comes. Most people say AI does not work for me and all of that, but they're giving it very average prompts like what I just said, right? And it's when you give AI prompts like that, write me a business plan. It's just as if you're going into a restaurant and you tell the waiter and you're like, bring me food. You may get what you don't want. Chances are that you get what you don't want. But a better prompt gives AI context. It gives it a goal, right? It gives it details, a format, and sometimes it gives it an example if it's needed. So, like I said before, learn how to write strong prompts. Number 3, learn to verify output. A lot of people just take what AI has given them and they use it exactly without verifying the output. This is one of the most important skills you need to learn when you're using AI. Don't treat AI as if it's this perfect expert that never makes mistakes. You want to treat it like an intern or an assistant that needs supervision. And so if AI gives you any advice like medical, financial guidance or legal information or all of those things, you want to make sure you're asking yourself a few things. Number 1, is it accurate? Number 2, does it answer my actual question? Number 3, is it current? All right, so you have to make sure you're doing your work. Can I confirm from a reliable source? All right, and finally, does this advice make sense in my real situation? Because there are times where AI can hallucinate, can just come up with an answer. It does not have an answer to it, but because AI is trained to always give you an answer, it can come up with any answer. And so after AI gives you an answer anytime, and I feel like everyone should learn this skill, you ask AI, you say, now challenge your own answer, identify anything uncertain incomplete, exaggerated, or that I should verify independently. So you keep telling your AI that one prompt will make you, not only make you much wiser, it'll start to train your AI tool to understand that you like to verify things. All right. Skill number 4, learn AI research. Right? AI can help you brainstorm questions. It can help you summarize long materials. It can help you compare options, organize notes, and do all of those amazing things, right? So, for example, if you're starting an AI business, what you can do is you could ask your tool and say, give me 20 questions I should research before starting a teacher training business, right? And not anything like that. Or let's say you're a content creator, you say, what questions do beginners ask about healing after heartbreak, right? And group them into content themes for YouTube videos. You can do all of those things. Or let's say you want to learn a new skill like you're doing right now. You say, create a beginner friendly learning roadmap for whatever skill you're trying to learn, and you ask it to explain the order you should learn each topic and why. That is so amazing. Once you can do that, it will totally supercharge how you use AI. So always learn to verify the output of your AI as well. Like I said, the key is this: AI helps you find the map, but don't let it drive your entire life. Always, always. So this week, what I need you to do, so pick one decision you're currently facing and ask AI to create a research checklist, not the final answer. So you need to learn AI research. Very important. Skill number 5, learn content creation. This is especially powerful if you have knowledge, you have stories, you have an amazing experience, or maybe a message you want to share. You can use AI to help you create your YouTube video ideas, video script, captions, thumbnails, and all of that. I use AI myself, all right? But don't become a copy and paste creator. And this is what I tell most people. Most people just copy and paste. Whatever AI gives you, just lift it up and put it there. No. Your story is the value, and so you have to be able to tell it in the way, with your own personality. Your personality is amazing value. Your testimony, your own perspectives, your mistakes, your experience. AI does not have all of this. So even if it gives you a framework, right, you have to learn how to create content. So AI can help you. One of the good things about AI is that, for example, if you're blank, you want to do something, AI can help you get past the blank page. But don't let it replace your humanity. Don't let it make you start to sound like a robot, right? So for example, you could write a prompt and say, I want to create a YouTube video for adults over 40 who feel intimidated by AI. Write a warm, encouraging outline with a strong hook. Even 7 beginner skills, relatable examples, or a call to action. Avoid technical jargon, right? You have to instruct your AI tools what you need them to do. Number 6, learn workflow automation. This is one of the things I do for a living myself. And you don't have to start with complicated systems. There are several. You can learn AI automation with Claude. You can use make.com. You can use Enit. And I will suggest you start with Claude or ChatGPT, right? Learn how to automate your own tasks. So look at something you repeatedly do within your own day-to-day activities and learn how to use Claude or ChatGPT to automate those, right? Then you can go to the next step. The final one will be learn responsible AI use. Yes, now this may not sound exciting and all of that, but it separates the wise users from the ones who are just careless. All right, don't paste private client information, your password, your sensitive medical information, your confidential business data. Don't paste it into AI, right? Because whatever, one day it can turn on you. I don't know, but don't do it. All right. Next thing you mustn't do, don't use AI to deceive people. Don't use AI to create fake testimonials for your business, right? Don't present AI generated work as if it was you who made it. You have to always put a disclaimer. And don't let AI tools make important decisions for you. They are not human, they are AI tool. All right. The simple rule I use is this: AI can assist you, but it should not replace you. It should not replace your values, your judgments, your responsibility. All right. So before you use any AI generated stuff, before you use AI for any important task, ask, will I be comfortable explaining exactly how I used AI in this situation? If your answer is no, slow down, don't do it. All right. But if the answer is yes, then go ahead and do it. But you need to be careful. Now, I'm going to give you a 7-day plan that's going to take you from beginner to intermediate. Day 1, I want you to focus on the AI basics. 90% of the people watching me will not do it, but the 10% who watches this and does it will notice a difference. Okay, I always tell people in the Empire Academy that you cannot remain the same person and expect different results in your life. So day 1, AI basics. Ask an AI tool for 10 ways it can help in your life. Ask several AI tools for that. Ask one or many. All right. Day 2, learn prompting. Day 3, fact check one AI generated answer. And you will be surprised that it will come to you and say, oh, sorry, what I wrote the other time was incorrect. Day 4, research. Use AI to make a research checklist. I encourage Perplexity for this. Day 5, content. Create one outline, one post or one script. All right. Make sure you do not lose your humanness and your personality in this. Day 6, automation. Look for one simple task that you do every day and use Claude co-work or ChatGPT work to automate it as a scheduled task. So it's something that is running on its own. And day 7, learn responsibility. Review what information you should never share. Review it, and at the end of those 7 days, all right, you will not become an AI expert, but you will no longer be standing on the sidelines. You will no longer be a beginner. You will no longer be someone who does not know how to use AI. Now, if you want someone to hold your hand and work you through learning how to use AI in your job, in your business, at home, with everything, that is why I created the Empire Academy, where I teach women how to learn how to use AI, learning the AI tools, how to make money from it from the comfort of their homes. So if you want to join us, I invite you to join us. It's an amazing community, and we hold monthly master classes and monthly challenges. It's so amazing. So I invite you to join us. All right. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And until I see you in the next one, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Rich.